welcome to. Matter of fact.
How about you shut the fuck up and look?
No. Matter of fact, I'm gonna call this dumbass because I want to say some stupid shit in this video. I found some chickens, okay? In the yard. How ghetto can you get? Know what I mean? No, I'm just gonna talk close about. So welcome to Dacb. This episode will be called Chicken What the Fuck. Bye. No, nigga. Wait a minute.
No, let's go. I can't open the door back here.
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Alright, now you can go back.
Well, get ready to see the chickens, guys. And then we're gonna be walking around for a minute. Really big here! Yeah, you gotta hurry up. Because, we're only supposed to come on once. Huh?
But I am fucking smoking. I can't even do it down the alley because this bitch will snitch.
What bitch?
That one girl. That one guy that the yard.
Hold still. Hold still. This way. Rosie, you're an idiot.
The hell, dude?
Look at them chickens, shall we?
We're gonna go down this alley real quick. While they smoke this, I think what they were legit.
No, you might look at these chickens.
Let me smoke this for a minute and we'll go fucking do the video.
Just make recording!
I'm out. You're not going down there by yourself because I don't see where I'm at.
It's recording. It's recording! Right here. There's a dog right here who's already acting up.
Give me a fucking break.
Stop it, dog.
Listen, I'm going to turn out.
You good?
We cool?
Yeah. Good cat.
This is why I get on you so hard about smoking because you get fucking paranoid.
You really need to stop. Come on this way. Come on this way.
Hang on. I'm not done.
Well, don't get me wrong. I've seen chickens. My friend Derek Getson owns chickens. But who? Derek? He lives in the country.
Did he have chickens?
Yeah.
That's fucking stupid.
He lives in the country. Miles away from any place else to buy eggs.
He's got a car.
Yeah, they don't like spending that much gas on stuff.
Took his dad to the mall.
No, they didn't. Oh, they took us to Muncie. We went to Muncie and watched that movie.
Can't be smoking because people really smoking here.
All the time, I'm gonna have you go to bus Bruiser when I do this.
You gotta go up because it's a fucking loose dog.
Here.
Yeah.
Alright. Leave that alone. Here. I'll just yep this still out. See him? You see him, guys? Here. Here. Here.
Don't fucking hurt you.
No, I'm just making a video. Oh. You stop right there.
Hurry up.
I am. Okay, here you guys go. Yard. Stuff. Chicken. Chicken there. Chicken there. Chicken there. 2 chickens, got 3. 2 out right now. But what the fuck? What are we? Chicken.
Go this way.
Right. Well, there you have it. Those are the chickens. There's some ghetto shit in that car. That was the chickens in the yard. You guys expect something else from me? Well, go to hell. Where? Okay. My fat, so I'm gonna keep it on just in case. 5 minutes, that's cool. Stop! If you don't wanna watch the camera jerking all the time. What? Loser. Well, guys, so that is our course. Peace out. This has been Dacb. Bye.